Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to review Selena Gomez Rare Beauty Haul. So I got her goodies in here. What a perfect time to really review. I was really excited when I heard Selena Gomez was coming out with a makeup line. Like, I love Selena Gomez. I've been told many times I look like her. So, I had to. I just really had to just pretty much buy her whole line, and I'm so stoked about it, and the packaging is so cute. So I can't wait to show you guys what I got, and I just want to play with it and tell you guys what I think. So if you guys are interested in watching this, keep on watching. So I'm going to show you guys the first few things that I got. Oh, I actually got my 500 point little gift from Beauty Insider. Thought it was so cute on Sephora. So got a little mug. I heard it was limited edition, so that's why I got it. But if you you can use 500 points also towards your purchase now and get $10 off, which is really nice because, you'd be getting like little small samples, and I'm just like, what? So I really like how they're changing up their point system now. So go Sephora. Y'all are doing it right. The first thing, I did not buy any primer or anything from her. The only things I did buy was I bought the foundation, concealer, I bought a lip balm, a blush, and a brow gel. So those are the things that I'm going to try on today. You guys, the packaging is so pretty. Like, it's so simple, sleek, and cute, and minimal. I just love it. You go, Selena Gomez. You did an amazing job with this packaging. So what I'm going to do is open it up. And oh my goodness. So I got the shade 270N, and I had one of the girls there help me out to choose my shade. So hopefully it really works out because I'm like in the middle, in between like tan but not tan color. So we'll see if this matches me. 70. Cute packaging. I also got the concealer in 250. I went a few shades down. So same thing with the packaging. Is so cute and tiny and small. Just love it. Here is the brow pencil. Sorry, I'm just showing you guys how they look like. I'm just so excited, but so cute and sleek. Like, this is the one side. And then the other side is the actual brow gel. And I'm really excited about this because it's a really small little bristles, and you can really get in there. I've really been into a really soft brow, like fluffy, not much brow. So I'm really excited about this. And then I got the liquid blush in Joy. This right here. So cute. I'm really excited about this. And then I got the Dewy Lip Balm. I love a moisturizing lip balm. Look how chic and cute this is. Like, look at that. So I already tried it on. I had to. I love it. But this one is in the color, did I already say? Blessed. Okay, so let's get right into it. I'm gonna start with actually just doing my brows. So right now, I literally have nothing on my face right now. I do have my lash extensions on. That's like the only thing. This is me bare face. So yeah, we're just gonna start with my brows. The color that I got here was a deep brown. I always like this color to match my hair. Yeah, I've been into just like kind of like a fluffy, but like not too much of a, kind of like a messy brow, like not trying too hard brow. So I really am excited about this. So I'm just gonna brush them up, like as if it was like just a spoolie. So how have you guys been doing? It's been so long, you guys. I know I have just been, busy. I've been more active on TikTok for sure. Like, I think that's been taking up everyone's time right now. Like, it's so much fun, but I'm trying to get back to my YouTube channel and just really trying to focus on it. Let me know if you guys really like these kind of videos, because I will definitely keep doing them. Okay, I know I look a little crazy. Sometimes I go a little harsh. I have a heavy hand when I use like those brow gels, and I didn't know that one was very pigmented. So what I'm gonna do with that, I'm just gonna let it dry a little and just spoolie it up with a dry spoolie. But I mean, I like how it's not so thick. It's definitely more of like a kind of like a watery consistency, I would say, but I really like it so far. I'm just gonna spray it up with a dry one. I know it looks a little crazy right now, but I'm gonna fix it. So I just got a little Q-tip and kind of just cleaned up those edges. I always like that like microbladed effect look, or like I just got my brows done. I am also going to put on foundation, which will cover it up. Now I'm really excited about this foundation. I just cleaned up my brows. So this one's in the color 270. I have not tried this on yet, so I don't know if it's too dark or too light for me, so we will find out right now. And oh my god, I love how it has this doe foot applicator. So I'm just gonna go straight for it and see. It looks like it might be a little dark. I hope it doesn't oxidize, but it feels very lightweight. I'm not putting on primer because I did not buy any. So I'm just gonna try to put on maybe a good little generous amount, but it does feel very lightweight. I'm just gonna have that much on. Okay, so I'm gonna blend it out with just a fluffy brush, just because I want like very natural coverage. So I'm going in with a fluffy brush, and oh my god, this is very lightweight. I really like how it feels like skin. It also kind of reminds me of the Dior body foundation, the Air Flash body foundation, whatever it's called, I forgot, but it feels so nice. Oh my god, I'm so impressed. Okay, so this foundation, I give it a 10 out of 10. Honestly, I really like how it looks on my skin and how it feels. It feels so lightweight, and I'm not even wearing a primer. I really like it. So, yes, big thumbs up for that. Okay, the next thing is going to be the concealer. I got the number 250. Okay, so this smells really good, actually. It smells very like bubbles almost. Wow, and I really like how the shape is like an angled doe foot applicator, which is really nice. You can get into the create that triangle shape, so that's really different. I really like that. She really put a lot of time and she really thought about it. Yes, okay. And this so far feels very lightweight once again, but kind of like moussey also. So I don't know, but I'm really impressed so far. I have nothing bad to say. So I'm just gonna go in with a beauty blender and just blend this out. All right, so I just blended that out. So also when I'm done with foundation and concealer, I like to go in with the concealer and a little angled brush, and just to clean up my brows because I really wasn't done. I always like to get a rough sketch of my brows, and then once I have my base and all that on, I like to go back and finish my brows. I know, I'm weird. I'm all over with my makeup, but hey, there's no rules for makeup, so go ahead and do what you want. But I like to just carve this out and just to clean up the bottom of my brows. Just like to do that with concealer, any concealer, but this one is very, I like how it's just not so watery, but not so like thick. It's like the perfect consistency, so I really like that. I'm just gonna take like a flat brush. I have like a hair somewhere in my nose. Okay, and then I'm just gonna clean that up, and voila, get a nice pretty brow. And since we're in the subject of brows, I'm gonna go back and with the other end of this and just clean it up and just kind of just fix the little like sparse areas you kind of forgot with the little spoolie. So I'm just gonna go in and fix that. I'm going in with a light hand, so don't put so much pressure. Okay, one looks a little bit more thicker than the other. I can see that's with new products. I always just get too comfortable. But I'm going in with a Q-tip and just kind of taking it off because it's a little too thick for my liking. But that's why we're trying it out. There we go. And then I'm gonna just take where's my other one? Oh, take a clean spoolie and just brush it out. So it's not so thick. Okay. The next thing I got was her liquid blush in Joy. So the girl at Sephora told me with literally one little dot goes a long way. So that's what we're gonna do. And knowing me, I'm gonna put on so much, but we'll see. I'm a blush girl, so we'll see how this turns out. Wow, this blends out so seamlessly. Nice. I kind of did put a lot, but it's okay. I love a lot of blush. Especially during this heat, since we're wearing masks, it's nice to wear cream products so that they don't slide off your face, because I notice with like so much cakiness and all that, like powder and all that, gets all messy. But if you have just all one, like one consistency, it'll look nice and it won't be such a mess when you take off your mask. So I kind of did put on a lot, but it doesn't look bad though. I always like to put a little bit on my nose too, and just kind of blend just a hint of it on my face. And then I'm going in with like other brushes. This is like my under eye concealer brush, and I'm kind of like blending it all together. And it doesn't look bad. It looks nice and dewy and fresh. You guys, I really recommend this blush. I'm so into cream blushes. So since she didn't have any lip liners that I saw, I'm going to use my own lip liner and the lip balm that I got. So the lip liner that I'm using is from KKW Beauty, and I'm gonna use cream lipstick, lip balm, and Blessed. It's a really pretty pink, like a peachy pink. I love these colors on me, so they had a lot. So this one was the one that stood out to me, so it's the one I'm gonna use. It's very natural, subtle pink. I'm just kind of blending everything with my finger. Okay, you guys, so this is the completed look. It was really short and easy and simple. This is, what I got from Rare Beauty. I really recommend her brand, you guys. If you're very just minimal, on the go, just get it. Go to Sephora and grab literally everything. Grab the foundation, the blush, the lipstick. It's very moisturizing and very comfortable on the face and skin and lips and everything. And this is something that I've been wearing too, so this is really on brand for me. I'm definitely going to be wearing this. Her brand is going to be in my kit for sure. I totally recommend. Very natural finish, but like beautiful and full coverage, so definitely recommend, and very affordable. So please go to your local Sephora and go grab a Rare Beauty. Thank you guys for stopping by. Wait, what? I don't know what I was gonna say. Just brushing, oops. Oh, and wait, okay, this is, that's working out how I wanted to. Hold on. Oh shit, I forgot to do TikTok. Fuck, I just grabbed it way too much.